Hi friends, in this quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you the power of hashtag by using into your Instagram post and get a lots of likes and engagements. For example, if this post get 2900 double for likes and if I go into description, you can see this post use a lots of hashtag related to their post. By using these hashtag, you can boost your Instagram post. So I'm going to show you how you can actually use these hashtags related to your post. Simply tap on this search icon here, then tap hash, and for example I use the word Instagram. Tap on see all results. You can see all hashtags related to Instagram are appeared here. For example, on first 1.1 billion posts, it means 1.1 billion user can use these hashtag to post on Instagram. So collectively 1.1 billion posts are on Instagram by using these hashtag. If I tap on this, let's say for example these people are using these hashtag to boost their post. If I tap on this, if I tap again on more, going down, you can see a lots of hashtag are used by this user, and here is the Instagram. If I go back again, if I tap on filter option here, then I tap on recent posts. So most recent posts are related to this hashtag are appeared here. If I tap on this, you can see 28 minutes later this post has been posted on Instagram and get 5 likes. If I follow this hashtag, then all of the Instagram posts related to this hashtag or user enter this hashtag into the description of their post, then I will get the notification about this. Now I'm going to show you how you can post anything on Instagram related to your topic. If I tap on this, for example, I'm just posting this, tap on next again, and right here caption Snapchat tutorial. Going down and use hashtag related to your post here, hash, and search here Snapchat. Instagram will automatically show hashtag related to my topic. Again tap on hash, search keyword, then tap on the most useful hashtag snap. And one thing is to remember that you can use only 30 hashtag into your description of your post. Then tap on share button. If I go to my post, tap on there. If I tap on more, you can see these hashtags are appeared here. If I write YouTube here, then all the famous keywords, or you can say the rich keywords, are appeared on the top in descending order here. You can also copy and use these hash keywords into your post. And if this video really helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.